So I've just checked into the Atton El Tesoro in Medellin, and this is just a quick room tour. So coming through the door, there's the wardrobe here with safe and a place to put your clothes, laundry, and then next to it is the minibar. If you want anything out of there, and the price list. Place to put your bags. Oh. And if you go through, this is the bedroom. So nice like double-sized bed, room service menu, and TV remote. That's a TV on the wall. A desk, which is always good when I'm here for business. A little chair, telephone, and one of my favourite things is the view out here. Don't know how much you can see with the lovely sunshine, but a lot of Medellin over there. And then if you come back this way, nice big mirror to kind of look at how I'm actually looking before I go to my meetings. Here is the bathroom, and nice big shower. Now, one of the things that he told me about the shower is that the hot water is heated by solar panels, so you do have to turn it on for like a minute before it kicks in. But that's pretty cool. I like the renewable energy slant on that. Here are the just little things, shampoo, different things that you need. Sink, toilet, let me see, towels under there, and hairdryer, which is always good. So this looks like a nice hotel. On the, I think it's floor PP, they have the breakfast, so that's downstairs. And then right at the top is the gym, which I'm going to use, and the bar. I think there's a bar up there, and a swimming pool as well. And I think you get some kind of complimentary drink. Yeah, like a welcome drink. So I might enjoy that tonight or tomorrow night after I've done my meeting. Just having a quick look at this. This is breakfast, which is served from 6 till 10, and checkout is 12, which is pretty nice. Free Wi-Fi, and everyone's really helpful. They're dealing with a delivery that I'm having brought here for an event tomorrow, and they've been really good. So thumbs up so far.